Hello! Ito na naman tayo. Back at it again. New segment of nothing better else to do during this quarantine times. Okay, so today I am doing something different. It's my take on a classic snack in the Philippines called fishball, except we are doing veggie balls. Um, so if you're basically you can't go to the store and then there's barely nothing in the fridge but vegetables that's like left over, you can actually like turn that into something tasty. So in my fridge, I found cabbage, carrots, parsley, green onions, garlic, onions. That is in my fridge right now. So you can actually use anything. Pwede kahit na anong klaseng vegetables that you can find in your fridge. Pero some of them like work, some of them doesn't. Pero mostly, like again, if you're in a budget and you don't really want to go out, and then you have all these things in your fridge, then make something tasty. So let's start it now. Okay, so I have 1 cup of cornstarch here that I'm gonna put in. Tapos we have our half a cup of flour. I'm gonna mix in. I'm gonna put in my baking powder. It's 1 tablespoon. And 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Tapos meron akong 3 tablespoon of sugar. So after that, we're just gonna go mix it in. Mix in all our dry ingredients muna. Okay? Again, wala kayong magawa sa bahay, got nothing else to do because you can't go out and anything. Do something fun na gustong-gusto yung ginagawa. Kasi, sa totoo lang, with the craziness outside, again, ang haba ng pila. It's such a long lineup in the store just trying to get everything. And I didn't want to line up. Pero, like, I'm still good. I still have all these ingredients in the house, so might as well make something different. Fishbowl naman yun. Or veggie balls naman yun. Okay, so once all that's dried ingredients is mixed up, we will add half a cup of water. Half a cup of water. Just to kind of have that, And if you need to add more, water, then do so. Maybe I need to add a little bit more. So I'll add 1 more cup, half a cup more. So that's probably 1 cup already altogether. Just to get that, just to get it a little bit like a little bit wet. Okay, so once you get that doughy kind of paste, then you add your rest of your ingredients. So hindi ko gagamitin to lahat ng onions na to. So I'm only gonna use maybe half of this diced onions. Kasi we're gonna use some of it for our vegetable sauce. Add our parsley, our green onions. Again, I'm also not going to use all the garlic because we're also going to use it for our vegetable sauce. So only half, siguro mga 1 tablespoon ng garlic. And then you have this 1 cup of green cabbage that you're gonna put in, and also 1 cup of your shredded carrots. So at this time, hindi ko na gagamitin tong whisk. Gagamitin ko na lang yung either kutsara or tinidor. Just to mix it in. Okay? Pero, kung meron ka namang kung meron ka namang spatula, why not? Why not use that one? In my case, I have a wooden spoon. So, you mix it in Mix it in lang. Tayo magawa eh. Okay. So you're getting that kind of doughy look. Ito na. Tapos, pag na-mix in na together yan lahat, you can grab 2 spoons. And then because we're not gonna use our hands to actually like make a ball out of this. So I like it. I like using spoons just to have that that rustic look. Yun yung tinatawag. Tan-tan-tan! I'm covered in flour now. Okay. So this is what we're looking for. Okay? What we're looking for. Tapos, one more ingredients that I actually want to add in this. You don't have to, pero you can. I want to add egg because I'm not completely vegetarian, but I want to add egg just for my own personal thing. Kasi egg also is a kind of, it's like a glue to make things sticks together. Okay, so once it's all mixed in, ready na tayo. Tapos before you guys cook this, before you cook this the vegetables, put it aside muna sa fridge for like half an hour. Kasi it's better to let it sit for a little bit